Hi, this will be a short video because I want to cover only two things. The first one is that some of you in my previous videos found that my voice volume was too low. That's why I invested $1 for an external microphone. You can see it here. So hopefully this time you will hear my voice better. Second thing is I would like you to decide on which topic I should prepare a new video. I have two in my mind right now. So first one is what are the differences between SXV and RXV bikes, generally and in details. I can describe it if you want. And second topic is I think a longer one, because I would like to talk about why our bikes are starting bad. Like, what are the main problems, main issues, why is that? If we can help this, do we need a better starter, do we need a bigger cables and other stuff. I would like to describe it in detail so everyone can understand it. Of course, there will be some stuff you can do by yourself and stuff that you need to have a cable or another technical knowledge, but I will try to use a language so everybody can understand it. So if you can write down a comment which video you would like to see first, and of course like this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. I don't care, you don't care, but YouTube algorithms probably cares. Thanks and take care.